Hey there, Defenders. Chowa here. Just coming up to you with a little bit of an update. We do have a lot of exciting stuff going on. First of all, I wanted to introduce you to our workshop. So this here is where most of our up-close educational stuff is going to take place. You'll see everything on the table has a little bit of a plan for it. You'll see here we have an old steel pot. I've got some plans that involve paint for that. We've got a hoist. We've got ammo cans in the back. A couple of ideas with those, but you'll see more about that later. Field equipment, handguns, ammunition, magazines, AR, map, gloves, vices, anvils, hammers, and radios and power tools in the back. What you'll see eventually is a small piece, or maybe a big piece, or parts of series included with this information, and with every single one of these things at some point. I've got a lot of stuff planned for videos to include basic first aid, land navigation, how to properly disassemble and maintain both handguns and long guns, specifically the AR, because I know many people have the AR. It's kind of a common rifle to have. We've got some general tools in there. I'll always make sure to tell you what tools I'm using for what. A lot of this is going to be pretty simple stuff, but we might tackle some more difficult things later. And if there's any specialty tools that you'll need, I'll let you know ahead of time, because some of this stuff is a little complicated and does require some special tools, especially when we're talking about weapons maintenance. Other than that, we do have a couple of things going on. One thing that we are missing for the shop is we're going to have a whiteboard on the other side of that table. So I'll do kind of like a classroom style instruction on some topics, like land navigation in particular. I was thinking of it for, we'll have a whiteboard. Back here is going to be a flag. We won't, I won't be able to reach it back there. This is a 5-foot wide table. But this, on the other side, you'll see a whiteboard over there. And what that'll be is, like, where we'll do land navigation. I'll draw charts, I'll draw directions, things like that. Because I'm told, if you have a whiteboard, you're a professional teacher, right? Is that how that works? Because that's what I'm thinking of. Like, once I have a whiteboard, I'm all set. But we are still honing this in. Obviously, I'm not a video personality per se. We'll get there eventually. Just bear with me. A couple of other things I'd like to announce. We have the first episode of the podcast. You'll see the link in the description, and we'll also have not really a set schedule right now, but we will do weekly episodes, and we'll give more information about that as it develops. But you'll see weekly videos. I'm thinking about recording something every Sunday, or releasing it on Sunday anyway. It could be recorded at any point, but podcast will probably be later in the week, depending on what our schedule looks like, depending on the interviews and the co-hosts' plans and my plans. We'll see how everything shapes up, but as of right now, we're looking pretty good. Obviously, workshop, subject to change. There's going to be some things moved around, but the overall gist of it will be the same. We'll have instructionals here, like up close, and we'll have larger ones in classroom style instruction over on the whiteboard. And then we'll have field instruction, which will happen whenever we get the resources to do so. And also, kind of have to have a place to do it. Still working on that, but we have some exciting plans for that, and stay tuned for those. And if anybody wants to contribute, we are always accepting volunteers. You can contact us at the email listed in the description, or you can just message me on here, leave a comment, or you can go to the subreddit. We also have other means to communicate with us. We have a Twitter, we have all that other crap. So anybody who's interested, just let us know. Always accepting help, and we do plan on doing collaborative videos. So if anybody has any, so the idea was on the podcast we would release, say, hey, we're working on such and such topic. Anybody who's interested in that, send us something, and then we'll add it. We'll edit it, put it into the video, and use it as a demonstration. If anybody's interested in that, just go ahead and give us a shot. Now, I don't plan on doing editing for these face-to-face talks, so if you have any constructive criticism, I would be happy to listen to it, because honestly, don't tell anybody, but I'm kind of dumb. So I forget things or I ramble. And if that gets on your nerves, just let me know. We'll fix it. I mean, I'm not against constructive criticism, so just don't be a douche about it. Other than that, that's about it. If you have anything that you need to tell me, let me know. Other than that, I am rambling. See, I warned you about this. It happened already. I didn't even try to stop it. It just happened. Okay. Anyway, everybody have a good one. Stay tuned. We got more stuff coming up. Have a good day. All right.